a lovely, vibrant event held by Westford University for the cause of breast cancer awareness.
Here at Westford, we like to spread awareness about breast cancer in the most interactive way. We've got dance performances, we've got a fashion runway, and even more important, we get to have a panel discussion with survivors themselves.
It's important to be aware of medical science and medical treatment. The early diagnosis and the early proper treatment can save lives.
The vibe is so good, it's so colorful and vibrant. At the same time, it's very energetic and everyone is so educative at the same time. Everyone's been learning about breast cancer awareness, about the survival and the prevention dates, and also, of course, the cure as well.